Hello, in this video we will show how to eliminate training examples of features with missing values in Python when doing machine learning. So next we will go to Python code file. If you want to check this file, you can download it from this link. And this link is our website for Python and R training with paid course for training in the weekend if you are interested in. So next we go to Python, this file 04, chapter 04 Python, and we load the package first. Then we create a data frame. First, create a string called CSV data and with this label and data for each row. Then we can create a data frame using read CSV function from pandas and with string IO to this create the string data. So we show the data frame. So now the data frame includes 3 rows, 3 observations, and with 4 features, 4 columns, A, B, C, D. And you can see for the second row and third row, they are NaN, which means not a number. So these are missing value because here we leave some space, empty place in these 2 rows. So now the question is how to do with this missing value. But first we can check if the data set is very large. You can use isNull function .sum can show how many missing value place. So this function will show the column, each column, how many missing values. So for the C and the D, there are 1 for each. And for the data frame in Python, if you want to get the values to the to a NumPy array, you can use df.values shape. So this is a NumPy array. And if you want to job by rows, then you can use df.job and a axis 0. So you can see the result is only 1 example here because the second row, third row, each has at least 1 missing value. So Python will job each row with a missing value, at least 1 missing value for this row. And similarly, if you want to job by column, so you can set axis equals 1, how it is going with this job angle. So now C and D columns are jobbed. So only A and B left because C and D column each has a 1 missing value. But if you want to job only the rows or rows with old columns are missing values for this row, you can use how equals all option here. So it's nothing jobbed because no any complete row with missing value. And you can also set the threshold equals 4. There are only with 4 values for each row will be left. And the other less than 4 values for each row will be jobbed. So the result is this. And you can also job missing values by column, and you can set subset equals, for example, C. So now only 2 rows left because in the column C, there 1 row has missing value, right? So this is the using of drop NA function in Python to eliminate features or observations with missing values. Thanks for watching.